Did you know a Persian king once spent 3 years digging through a mountain just to avoid bad weather? In 483 BC, King Xerxes I had a problem. Storms had destroyed his father's entire fleet near Mount Athos, and Xerxes was determined this would never happen to him. So he ordered his engineers to do something incredible: dig a canal straight through the mountain. This wasn't just any canal. It was over a mile long and wide enough for two warships to sail side by side. Thousands of workers spent 3 years carving through solid rock. Greek historians laughed at Xerxes, calling it a wasteful show of power. But here's the crazy part: Xerxes actually spent more money avoiding the disaster than his father had spent on the original failed campaign that caused it. Modern archaeologists have proven the canal was real and amazingly well built. This obsession with controlling nature showed just how far Persian kings would go to display their power, even when it made no sense.